tripod is the most important structure to learn, especially as a beginner, because if we were to build this guy up tall and put a pole across to another one, we now have an A-frame shelter. If we build this singular thing up really tall, we have a teepee. We could wrap this thing in spruce boughs, and then we have a smoker. There's endless uses for this, and today, we're going to build one. Now, here's the best part about the tripod. Unless we're actually putting weight on this and we're actually using it as a shelter, it really doesn't matter how we tie this on. I'm going to use an overhand knot, or I'm going to use a slip knot, pull all my line through, use that to tie it on, and I'm going to put a bunch of wraps on it. Now, if we are using this as a shelter, we actually have to lash it, which is fraps and wraps and the whole 9 yards. You can stand this guy up, and it's going to hold all the weight you need it to hold. A super easy hack is if we grab ourselves a Y branch and we just throw a clove hitch on it real quick and take that in and throw another clove hitch on up here. We actually have a spot now where we can hang our pot. And if we want to raise or lower our pot, we just spread the legs. And when it's time to boil water, grab your pot, take your pot hanger, hook that guy on there, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the woods.